Finished 12th and still confused between AI, machine learning, deep learning, and data science? You're not alone. Everyone's talking about it, every course mentions it, but no one's really explaining it in a way that actually makes sense for a beginner. In this video, I'll break it down for you with one simple classroom story. No jargon, just clarity. But before we jump into the story, let's get the bigger picture. Here, AI is the big umbrella. Inside AI, there's machine learning. Inside machine learning, there's deep learning. And data science, it uses all three to make smart decisions from data. Keep this visual in mind. Now let's start the classroom story. Think of your class monitor or topper who behave like a teacher when the teacher is not around, keeps the class quiet, writes names on the boards, and reports mischief. That's AI, acting smart like a human. Of course, without the judgmental looks of your class monitor. Now this monitor learns. Ravi always talks in maths class, Neha is silent during English class. He learned by observing patterns. That's machine learning, learning from data. Now say the monitor can look at faces and know who tends to go to washrooms, who's about to fight. He does this by recognizing expressions, tones, and body language. That's deep learning. Deeper layered learning like a brain. Finally, the teacher sees all this monitor data. Which student breaks the rules the most? What time is class noisy? She uses this to change class settings. That's data science, finding meaning from all the data. So remember, AI is smart like humans. Machine learning means learning from past. Deep learning, deep layered recognition. And data science, it is to use data to take actions. So now that you understand it, where do you see this in the real world? That food app is recommending biryani on Saturdays. That's machine learning. It's learning from your habits. The app reads star ratings, food pics, and mood in reviews. That's deep learning. It's decoding multiple layers of data. The chatbot helping you return an order, that's AI. It's acting like a human assistant. And that dashboard shows why it delivers a delay, that's data science. It's turning data into decisions. So here's the thing. AI, ML, deep learning, and data science are not courses. They are fields. Each one leads to a different kind of work, thinking, and impact. That's why choosing randomly just because something is trending is dangerous. You need clarity. At LeapStart School of Technology, we believe clarity leads to confidence, especially when you are making career choices that shapes the next 10 years of your life. So which one is for you? Here's how to choose. If you are curious about how machines think, reason, and interact, explore AI. If patterns excite you the most and you enjoy learning from trends, go for machine learning. If you're fascinated by how brain works or love working with images or audio, look into deep learning. If you're into problem solver who loves turning messy data into clear decisions, data science is your home. So these fields are interconnected, but how you enter them depends on what excites you the most. If this helped you, like it. If it gave you clarity, share it with someone else who's still stuck. And if you're still unsure, drop your question in the comments. We'll help you find your way.